Do you know if you invested just $1 at the all-time low of Shiba Inu, you would have got more than 17 million% returns. Whereas if you invested in Bitcoin at its all-time low, you would have got 60,000% returns at its all-time high, which is quite insane, right? Though the increase in price is significant, but the reasons behind the rise for both the coins is absolutely different. And in today's video, we will explore the reasons behind the increase in pumps. So the next time someone tells you that crypto is all about increase or decrease in prices, you would be able to tell them that it's more than the price of a token. First reason for the increase in price is fake hype. And this includes the projects which has no real value as such. They are basically the pump and dump schemes where they attract different people, or the people who have less knowledge about a particular project or crypto project. They lure them in their project using FOMO, fear of missing out. They create the hype on various social media platforms using Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and lure the innocent people into their project. And as soon as the price is rising, they just sell their part of the tokens and leave the other people hanging with the loss. This is basically the pyramid scheme where the people who enter into this particular scheme earns the most, and people who are entering late in this particular project, then they would surely be losing money. There are big Discord communities out there which help them promote their projects. And also, there's one person who is responsible for the rise or pump of different cryptos out there, like Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. So this person out of nowhere talked about Shiba Inu on Twitter, and its price rose more than 300%. So you know very well who I am talking about. Shiba Inu was just a meme coin in the beginning, but today it's growing and it's more than a meme coin today. But not every project is a scam project in crypto. There are so many good projects out there too. Just like many people don't understand coding, but still they use websites, applications. In the similar way, crypto is also developing in the backend, and there will be a time where all the people who don't know coding will be utilizing crypto and won't even realize that they were in crypto space. And these are the projects which are adding the real value to this particular ecosystem. And when people find out about these projects, that's when the real hype comes in. And these are the projects that will be significantly bigger in future, just like the .com companies that existed in the .com era. Like there was a time when any company that would include .com in their name would be significantly successful for a particular point of time in that era. And today we don't even see half of or most of the companies in this era. But the companies that survived in that particular .com bubble due to their value are one of the biggest companies today in our world, like Microsoft, eBay, Amazon. And in the similar way, in the future, the companies that are going to survive in this crypto bubble will be the biggest and significantly bigger than the .com companies. So this is where the bet comes in. Like you have to find out the companies which are adding the real value. And these are the companies that will be giving more than 1000x returns. The crypto projects are developing in different domains, whether it's financial, gaming, or tokenization of the real world assets. And all these companies are going to provide some value or add some value in real way. This is why the pumps happen. Like, let me give you a real life example of my life so you would be able to understand how they are adding a value. I work as a freelancer, and recently I sent an invoice to my client for $140. And when that particular client sent me money using traditional ways like the PayPal or Wise, I lost around $7 while the transaction was happening. The conversion fees was there from euro to Indian rupees. And the platform that we used also charged us money. My bank also charged me money. So I lost around $7 for just transferring my own money. But if I have used crypto for this particular transaction, guess what? I would have saved more than $10. Now you might be wondering that how I'm going to save $10 when I just lost $7. Because the USDT value for INR is different. And this way I would be getting more money using crypto. So this is how crypto will be adding value in our lives. Moreover, different crypto projects are developing different technologies like DEX, decentralized exchange, automated market making, and smart contracts and cross-chain crypto payments. And all these technologies are going to add value and significant value in our life in future. That's why these crypto projects will be giving more than 1000% returns if they survive this particular crypto bubble. And the way companies are listed on a stock exchange by using the mechanism of IPO, initial public offering, in a similar fashion, in crypto world, you get to see the ICOs, where companies raise money using this particular mechanism of initial coin offering, where they offer their coins or their company share by just giving out their company's share to the person who is investing in their company and getting the funds in return. So this is just a similar way of the traditional way, but in a digital format and more efficient. There's always some reason behind all the pumps and dumps that you see in the market. Like the recent Solana pump, there was a reason behind it. There are many projects building on Solana, and all these projects require some hype because they are real projects and they need some hype in order to get the liquidity on their platform. But the basic condition to provide the liquidity on these platforms is to purchase Solana. So if you purchase Solana, which means that the demand for Solana will go high, but the supply is limited. That's why the price rise was there and you could see the pump in Solana. But what's your benefit when you are providing liquidity in these projects? You get airdrop, you get incentives as an early investor, and you can get huge benefits if you are an early investor. Like a recent airdrop on Solana gave around $9,000 for just $3 of investment. You can imagine how happy that person would have been who invested as an early investor. Now that person would be motivated to participate in such products in future. That's why you see the pumps in crypto projects. So the two reasons, the fake hype or the real hype that I gave for the increase in price can be changed over a period of time. Like the Shiba Inu came as a meme coin and it was a fake hype. But now it is building and getting better at it. So you might not be calling it as a fake hype now because they have their smart contracts and other technology which is building on them. And they are also trying to create their own metaverse. And in the similar way, the real hype projects can be converted into fake hype projects later on because their core team might abandon these projects and these projects might end up doing nothing in future. I hope now you know the fundamental reasons behind the 1000 times increase in price of different cryptos.